Smart bulb installation. Screw the light bulb into a socket and turn on the bulb. If the bulbs do not start blinking, turn the bulbs on, off, on, off, on. Once the bulbs are blinking, open the Feit app. Choose location and add device. Select device type and choose light devices. Press confirm. You will be prompted to enter the password for your Wi-Fi network. Be sure the Wi-Fi network you're using is a 2.4 GHz network. The bulb will start connecting. If the connection fails, close the app and repeat the previous steps. To rename the bulb, tap the pen icon and enter the new name. Now you're ready to control your bulb. Tap the bulb icon to turn the bulb on or off. Press and hold the icon for 2 seconds for more features. Now you can dim, set schedules, and more. Return to the main location screen and press the plus sign to add more bulbs. To remove a bulb from the app, press and hold the device icon you want to remove. And then tap the context menu in the upper right corner and select Remove Device and confirm.